What's going on, guys? It's your boy Deteki Deteki, back here with a brand new YouTube video. Today's video I'm be showing you guys how you guys can sound like Dante Red, aka Ericdoa. Very easy video to make. Very easy, preset to make actually. Uh, I'm gonna be showing you guys based off Dante Red, finale or whatever the song's called. Sorry, I kind of butchered that name. But Dante Red is basically the only Ericdoa. If there's any other clones out there watching the video, show me guys how you guys sound like him. But this is the way I think that he sounds, and you guys can just copy the preset from here. And I'm just doing this video for educational purpose for anybody who wants to sound like Dante Red, or any way that want to sound like the bit crushing vocal effect. Very easy. I did not use any outside presets. I use everything here in FL Studio. So this is what the vocals sound like without any of the mixing.
Jigs up, I don't wanna fight you, put your fist up. Bitcrush, sign a piece of paper, now you switched up, I blew you up. If it were my song, you wouldn't see the bugs, so beat them up. No, I can't betray you, can't be with us. Always like that, pay me as a monster, gets it's my bad, sidetrack.
So this is what the original song sounds like.
Jigs up, I don't wanna fight you, put your fist up. Bitcrush, sign a piece of paper, now you switched up, blew you up. It wasn't for my song.
So this is what I added. I added autotune, Evo VST. I added the retune speed to 0, humanize to 0. You guys can copy the settings. Input type to alto tenor. The key to D minor. Put the throat length at 119, just to give it the deep vocal effect that Dante Red has in its vocal effects. And I went to a parametric EQ. You guys can copy these settings here. And then I added a sound goodizer. I put it at type C, and you can set it at this amount. Added a multi-current compressor. You guys can copy these settings here too as well. And then I went to our Fruity course. You guys can copy these settings here as well. I think one of these are the default Fruity courses that I've used. And I set this 50% mix level. I added a soft clipper. You guys can copy the setting here. And then I added a Fruity limiter. You guys can copy these settings here if you guys want. And then I added a Fruity reverb too. You guys can copy the settings here, and I added the Fruity reverb to 35 mix level. And then for the bit crushing effect, FL Studio already has it already in here. It's some of you guys probably didn't know that FL Studio has a bit crusher. You guys can go to you guys' effects and go to effector. So that's why this thing it changes the name effector to FX. Don't know why, but you guys once you guys open effector, I changed the preset to lo-fi, and I turned off the bypass because usually the bypass is on, so I turned it off. And I changed the I just kind of moved the X over here to this kind of area, to like the 6th square and the third square to the 2nd row. And you guys should have something to sound like this.
Jigs up, I don't wanna fight you, put your fist up. Bitcrush, sign a piece of paper, now you switched up, I blew you up. If it were my song, you wouldn't see the bugs, so beat them up. No, I can't betray you, can't be with us.
So now, since you guys want to do the Ericdoa vocal effect, very easy to do. This is the Ericdoa vocal effect. This is what it sounds like.
Always like that, pay me as a monster, gets it's my bad, sidetrack. Kinda let you go to get my mind back. Fuck you, everybody knows that I loved you.
So same thing, kind of same way. Don't know why I don't know why it looks like that. So same thing, same key and scale, the D minor. I changed the region speed to 11, humanized at 15. I put the format and throw length to 394 to get a little bit of a, because my voice is a little bit, my voice has a little bit of low mids in it, so I kind of want to raise up the vocal effect a little bit more to 94. And I saved every preset, so this is the same preset from the EQ. The only difference is just the reverb. You guys can copy the setting there, and I changed the reverb to 35 mixer preset. The limiter I put at 50%. Put the limiter at 50. Copy the settings here. Sound goodizer, type C, same as well. And the vocal preset was kind of loud because of the sound goodizer, so I kind of turned down the volume to 70%. And you guys get something like this.
Always like that, pay me as a monster, gets it's my bad, sidetrack.
And this is what it sounds like altogether.
Jigs up, I don't wanna fight you, put your fist up. Bitcrush, sign a piece of paper, now you switched up. I'll blow you up. If it were my song, you wouldn't see the bugs, so beat 'em up. No, I can't betray you, can't be with us. Always like that, pay me as a monster, gets it's my bad. Sidetrack, kinda let you go to get my mind back. Fuck you, everybody knows that I loved you. So did I, I'm the only one that understand your mind. Try to take me out, that's a bad move. Just like everyone, I knew that you act new. Man, what come at me, I will never attack you. Separations, that's the only thing that cash do.
And this is what it sounds like with the actual song.
Jigs up, I don't wanna fuck it, put your fist up. Bitcrush, sign a piece of paper, now you switched up. Blew you up, if it were my song, you wouldn't see the bugs, so beat 'em up. No, I can't betray you, can't be with us. Always like that, pay me as a monster, guess it's my bad. Sidetrack, kinda let you go to get my mind back. Fuck you, everybody knows that I loved you. So did I, I'm the only one that understand your mind.
And that's how you do the Dante Red effects in FL Studio. And also Ericdoa, if you guys have watched the whole video. If you guys want to see any hyperpop artist or anything that has to do with FL Studio, music-wise, any artists you guys want to see presets on, make sure to just leave a like on the video and comment down below who you guys want to see next. And this has been your boy Deteki, and I'm out. Thanks for guys watching.